Do budgies make noise when mating? Hello everyone. Today, I would like to talk about one of the most fascinating aspects of bird behavior, mating rituals. And today, I would like to focus on one of the most interesting birds, the budgie. Budgies are small, colorful birds that are popular pets. But did you know that they make noise when mating? In fact, they make a loud, shrill sound that is very noticeable and impressive. When a pair of budgies come together, they start fluttering their wings rapidly, making this loud noise. This is a sign that they are ready to mate. The male will then start pecking at the female's head, neck, and breast with his beak. This is a sign that he is trying to attract her and show his dominance over her. After a few attempts, the male will finally insert his penis into the female's anus. This may seem unusual, but it is actually necessary for the fertilization of the eggs. Once the male has done this, the female will lay eggs and the cycle will continue. In summary, budgies make noise when mating, a loud, shrill sound that is impressive and noticeable. But don't worry, it is just a sign that they are ready to start a new life together. Thank you for listening.